Boost your health with medium eggs, facts and benefits revealed. Eggs are a superfood packed with essential nutrients that can benefit your health in numerous ways. And today, we're focusing on the often overlooked medium-sized eggs. Let's dive into the facts and benefits of incorporating medium eggs into your diet. Before we dive into today's exciting video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest explorations and interesting facts. Nutrient powerhouse. Medium eggs are a great source of high-quality protein, containing all 9 essential amino acids that our bodies need. They are also rich in vitamins such as vitamin D, vitamin B12, and vitamin A+. They are loaded with minerals like iron, zinc, and selenium. Weight management. Including medium eggs in your diet can aid in weight management. A medium egg contains approximately 60 to 70 calories, making it a low-calorie option for a nutrient-packed food. This helps in maintaining a calorie deficit, which is crucial for weight loss. The protein in eggs helps you feel full and satisfied, reducing the likelihood of overeating. Research shows that starting your day with eggs can lead to reduced calorie intake throughout the day. Heart health. Contrary to popular belief, moderate egg consumption does not increase the risk of heart disease. In fact, eggs contain healthy fats that can have a positive impact on heart health. The choline in eggs also plays a role in reducing inflammation and promoting cardiovascular health. Eye health. Eggs are a rich source of lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 antioxidants that are beneficial for eye health. These nutrients help reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration and cataracts, improving and maintaining good vision. Eggs contain vitamin A, which is essential for good vision. Vitamin A helps maintain the cornea, which is the clear front part of the eye, and is also a component of rhodopsin, a protein in the eyes that allows us to see in low-light conditions. Brain function. Choline, found abundantly in eggs, is essential for brain development and function. It plays a vital role in memory, mood regulation, and cognitive performance. Including medium eggs in your diet can support optimal brain health. The nutrients found in eggs, including choline, omega-3 fatty acids, B vitamins, antioxidants, protein, and vitamin D, contribute significantly to brain health. Regular consumption of eggs as part of a balanced diet can support cognitive function, memory, learning, and overall brain vitality. Versatility in cooking. Medium eggs are incredibly versatile in cooking. From breakfast options like omelets and frittatas to baked goods and salads, there are endless possibilities to incorporate eggs into your meals. They are quick to prepare and can be a nutritious addition to any dish. In baking, medium eggs are often called for in recipes for cakes, cookies, and breads. Their size ensures the right balance of moisture and structure, helping baked goods rise and hold together. Sustainable choice. Opting for medium eggs can also have environmental benefits. Medium-sized eggs often come from smaller hens, which require fewer resources compared to larger eggs. By choosing medium eggs, you can make a more sustainable choice for the planet. Incorporating medium eggs into your diet can offer a wide range of health benefits, from nutrient-packed goodness to supporting various aspects of your well-being. So next time you're at the grocery store, consider picking up a carton of medium eggs and start reaping the benefits they have to offer. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth explorations and interesting facts.